We offer our clients a full range of services facilitating complete change of land use. From a once industrial shipyard, her owners were seeking to rejuvenate Belfast, regenerating the land for a different use. TDS demolished the entire 6 million square feet of the former shipyard, Harland Wolff. Famously the birthplace of the Titanic, her once industrious sheds, offices, cranes and slipways had fallen empty. With the help of TDS, the entire site was cleared, enabling developers to build what is now known as the Titanic Quarter. Nightfall witnessed the end of an industrial era as TDS high-reach demolition excavator precisely pushed the boundaries of Harland Wolff to reveal new vistas, new possibilities and new horizons for the people of Belfast.